You are now rocking with Dash. Alright guys, this is my unfinished room, and today I am doing I've been seeing people like do this like unboxing things, so I wanted to do it. I wanted to be a part of the wave, so I'm like, why not? I ordered a lot of stuff from Amazon, so we're gonna unbox some stuff from Amazon. I have my Lysol, so just spray that. Unboxing. Alright guys, so in this box we have some, what is this? In this box we have some cool stuff. I ordered a sushi kit because why? I love sushi. Like I love sushi, so I was like, why not order a sushi kit? And this will help me make good ass bomb ass sushi. So I'm excited about that. So I have nigga feet. I have very much nigga feet. So I got this thing, tea tree oil foot soap. So I got this. I can't wait to use it. I'm excited. I have my fucking corns on my feet because I used to wear shoes that was like too tight on my feet, just because like one of my foots are like bigger than the other one, so one is like 11, one is like 11 and a half, or 11 and a half, 12. So I got these. I'm getting my shit together. My feet gonna be out this quarantine summer. I don't know what the hell this is actually.
We're giving members a credit on their auto insurance because it's the right thing to do. We're also giving payment relief options to eligible members so they can
just
take care
a
of
random
like
black box
before they worry about their insurance or credit card bills. Right now is the time to take care of what matters most, like we've done together so many times before. Discover all
yeah, I don't know what this is. It's like a box. I can't remember what else I ordered. This one don't want to open. Like, what is this? Oh, this is okay. This is for my feet, like to scrape the to scrape the dead stern off. So this is cool. I like it. Get into it. Let me get up. I definitely didn't want to get up to show you guys, but here you go. And then what am I drinking?
Transform your home.
Use a wipe, a handy dandy wipe to wipe your hands. The next box is bigger. Spray the Lysol again. I think this is like stuff in my room because I'm like redecorating this room, like I said in the beginning. So. Let's see. Okay, so this is pillow. This is a pillow. It's a foam pillow. I love a foam pillow, to be honest. I love a foam pillow, and I love the pillows that you have at the hotel. Let me open this for you guys. Oh, is that a big turkey leg? I'm watching 600 Pound. I love this show. It's 600 Pound, whatever. And the guy, like, they stopped for a bathroom break, and they ended up handing him a turkey leg. A big ass turkey leg or a chicken leg. I don't know what that is. Like what they have at medieval time. So, Favorland. That's what the thing is called. Memory foam pillow. So I got 2 of these. And as you know, once you like, okay, let's just do it. Once you like open it, it like kind of like opens up. So, I wanna be on my phone. I'm hoping that it gets a little thicker. Because when I got my bed like puffed up. So maybe, yeah, I think it's puffing up now. I see like. So I got 2 of those. I got this for my room. We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder who it's from. Amazon. Yes, I got this. I thought this would be cool in my windowsill. That's some light. These are pillow covers because I want my room. Okay, so I'm going to school for interior design, so I felt like this would be my first project to do and show off my interior, my design skills. So what I did was ordered 4 throw pillows, even though they gave me more than. These are like 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Yeah. I ordered 4 throw pillows to go on my bed, in addition to the 2, my 2 big pillows. So I have like this print, which is super cool. Alright guys, so I think I was talking about my pillowcases that I got for my throw pillows. I think that's what they call them. So I got this print. Some other cool prints. This is the cool print. This is the cool print. This is the cool print. Why you love? My shit got a mind of its own. It's like turning and shit. Hold on. Bear with me. So, what I was trying to show is it would go perfectly with the wall. So, and then lastly, I have this thing that I thought would be. And lastly, I have this thing that I thought would be cool to put behind my TV. So it gives like a little dope mood effect. But guys, that is it for me unboxing time. I have some more orders coming in this week, so I will do another unboxing. So this is quarantine unboxing. Amazon fun. So make sure you guys subscribe and comment below. Alright guys, be safe.